Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add header items to your left and right margins on Wix. To get started, open your Wix editor and go directly to your website's header section. The header is the area at the top of your site, and it's usually where you place important navigation items, branding, or quick access elements. Since the header is one of the first things visitors see, creating a clean and organized layout here can make your website feel more professional and easier to use. Once you're in the editor, click on the header so it becomes selected. This is important because you want to make sure you're editing the header itself and not another section of the page by mistake. Selecting the correct section first will save you time and prevent you from accidentally changing other parts of your website. After the header is selected, look at the options that appear above it. From those options, choose spacing. This is where you can control the amount of padding inside the header. Padding affects how much space there is between the content in the header and the edges of that section, so adjusting it can help create more room on the left and right sides for the items you want to place there. For example, if your logo, menu, or buttons feel too close to the edge of the website, increasing the padding can give those elements more breathing room. Proper spacing helps your header look less crowded and creates a better visual balance across different screen sizes. Once you open the spacing settings, you can adjust the padding by clicking and dragging the slider. As you move the slider, keep an eye on how the header changes in real time. This helps you fine-tune the amount of space so your layout looks balanced and clean. It's a good idea to check the spacing from both sides of the header. You want your elements to feel aligned and intentional instead of randomly placed. A few small spacing adjustments can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your website. If you want items to sit more comfortably near the left and right margins without feeling cramped, this is the setting you'll use to create that space. This is especially useful when you want to place important elements like navigation menus, social icons, contact buttons, or other shortcuts near the edges of your header. After you've adjusted the padding, you're ready to add your header elements. Go to the top left of the editor and click Add. From there, click Elements. This section includes many of the visual and functional items you can place on your site. One of the most commonly used header items is a menu, since it helps visitors move through your website easily. A well-positioned menu allows users to quickly find important pages, like your homepage, services, contact page, or other sections of your website. To add one, search for a menu in the Elements section. When you find a style you like, click and drag it into your header. Then, drop it into place. You can position it based on the spacing you just set up, which makes it much easier to align it toward the left or right side of the header. You can experiment with different menu styles and placements until you find a design that matches your website's branding. Remember that the goal is not just to add elements, but to create a header that looks organized and gives visitors a smooth browsing experience. And that's it. By adjusting the header spacing first and then adding your element, you can create a cleaner layout and better use the margins in your Wix header. If you want, you can repeat the same approach with other header elements as well, using the same spacing area to help everything fit neatly and look more professional. You can use this method for different types of websites, whether you're creating a business website, portfolio, blog, or online store. Taking a little extra time to organize your header spacing can improve both the appearance and usability of your website, helping your visitors navigate your site more comfortably.